Hello. So today I am going to be making a video on well, sorry if it gets loud, but Minecraft. So let's go to the start here and get a Minecraft on. Oh, whoa, that's not what I wanted. So let's type in Minecraft. Woo! We're playing Minecraft. So it's yeah. And so this can only be 10 minutes, so put this in full screen. And we'll move this over. Okay, so it's play. Oh, I gotta move this, guys. Oh, what? What? No, what? What? Where did it go? Oh my gosh, where did the thing go? What the heck? Oh, there it is. There you are. I couldn't find you. What the heck? God, dang. So we're playing on. Where did the Bandicam playing go? Oh my gosh, is this still recording? Oh, okay. Anyway, so let's. Oh, cause I mean, wait. Girls dance in the shower. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Option. I don't think it was done. So I'm going to title. Should I bring quit to title? Options. Oh my gosh. Super secret settings. Gun trails. Use drop item. Big luck. Oh my gosh. Done. Keep on. On. God. Settings. Chat is shown. Done. I might have to quit the game. So sorry about that, you guys. You just saw the screen. I know. I'm so sorry. I wanted some Minecraft and it was in full screen. I'm so sorry about that. So this might be an epic fail video. I don't know. So we might just name it epic fail. We'll just leave it like this. What the heck? It always does this to me. Oh my god. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It always just so if you can't hear me, well, let's actually create a new world. and it's just gonna be, this one's actually going to be YouTube 51. YouTube 51. No. Yeah. Create new world. This one's gonna be a creative because I decided that it should be. So if you can't hear me, that's what it is. So. This is the life of Jesus. So I will be right back. And so there's currently no way you can get out of this. Well, I'll be right back. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm walking on water. This is. Why does it do this? You create a new world on creative. Oh my Jesus. Do you create your land or? I don't. Wait, what? Oh, because I'm going down. No, guys, I'm going down. Oh, there we go. The word is lage. Oh, what the heck? What the, what? Oh, whoa, it keeps doing that. What? There was cow. Where did it go? There was, what? That is crazy, you guys. There's cows in the sky. How do you get to the creative? How do you get to the creative? Oh, la 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 la. Slash.